Different story. Nice, thanks for hitting me, Ibby. Thanks for hitting me, Ibby.
See this place over here? Where I'm going.
Where?
Follow me. It's like it looks like a scrapyard-ish thing.
Or it says drop here. He says there's loot. He says.
I'm fucking Gucci, to be honest.
Of course you are. You just take everything and don't give anyone anything. Why wouldn't you be Gucci?
If you can have my AK if you want, son.
Okay, give it to me.
I'm not giving it to you. You suck.
I'll shoot you dead and take it, bro. Either way.
Excuse me.
You're lucky I got an AR.
What did you just say to me?
Shoot you dead and take it. That's what I said. I'm going to repeat it again so you see it. You suck at shooting, bro. Nice. No, no. Get off it, get off it. Why is it not flipping? What's going on? It's bugged! It's bugged! Are you actually kidding me? How? This game is so shit! Like, what is this?
What is what?
Keep tapping it until it fucking goes over. This game is fucking so bad, bro. How do they fucking allow this game? Where it's moving?
Still in fucking beta, kid.
Doubt it, bro. There's something in the way. Get off it, Ibby. Fucking piece of shit. Game is so fucking appalling in this shit, bro. How do they make... Come on now. Oh, fuck.